Hey everyone, I'm Jeep Momma and I'm going to share with you some tips. 5 tips that will help you when you're traversing those rocky trails when you're off-road in your Jeep. These are some great basic tips that'll help you get started in your new off-roading hobby. Number 1 are those low points, the low points on your Jeep. You're going to need to know what kind of clearance you have. And generally the low points on your Jeep are the differentials. And right next to your rear tires are your shocks. And I've got hung up on those spots before. So keep in mind where these low spots are. And a good little tip is your front differential lines up with this little stopper on your hood. And then where the footman loop is generally where your rear differential is. So keep that in mind when you're off-roading. Number 2, you're gonna wanna pick a good spotter, because when you're new to off-roading and you come across an obstacle that you're not really sure about, always ask to be spotted over that obstacle. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to pick a spotter that you can trust, that you know has experience in off-roading and on that trail. Oh, geez. Number 3, once you pick that spotter, listen to the spotter. Always listen to your spotter, because they can see everything that's around your Jeep that you can't see. Number 4, I've mentioned this before in my off-road basics, but this is essential, especially when you're traversing over those rocks. You're going to want to use 2-footed driving, 1 foot on the gas and 1 foot on the brake. It gives you more control over those obstacles. Number 5, I've seen this so many times when somebody is new to off-roading, they're in their Jeep and they get stuck on a rock or a tree limb or something, and they're in their Jeep grabbing onto their steering wheel, and they're afraid because they're afraid they're going to break their Jeep. But just stop, put your Jeep in park, get out and look. That gives you a chance to really get to know your Jeep. You don't just sit in your Jeep and let the spotter guide you over the trail. Get out and see what you're hung up on. That way, the next time, you'll have that experience of knowing what it is you're getting hung up on. Ooh, holy shit.
You hit something. Eleanor, can we get a spotter?
Hold on.
Just a dip cover. Didn't even slam the important part.
I gotta back up, right?
Back.
There you go. 5 great basic tips to get you started in this new amazing off-roading hobby.